Yon! Backpiece project still in progress. First tattoo ni Boss Jeffrey natin. Yung Jesus Christ, 3-day-old, fully healed, namalat na yan. Nakalive yan sa Mewa TV FB page from start to finish. Also sa TikTok, Mewa TV. Crucifix yung ginawa natin kanina. And then yung dove. And meron tayong ginawa sa lower part, Passion of the Christ. Hindi siya natapos. May lakad. May lakad si Bossing. So, Saturday ulit ang aming next session. Hopefully matapos na. Sa lahat ng gusto mo patatu, down to avail a free layout and schedule revisable until I meet your expectations. Usually, inedit natin kay Bossing is a portrait and then yung silhouette ng Passion of the Christ. And nung ginawa na natin siya, sabi ko i-realistic natin yung crucifix ni Jesus. And wag nating sayangin sa background ng cloud. So naglagay tayo ng dove. Ganun lang naman while process ng tattoo. During, ini-edit pa natin yan para ma-exceed natin yung expectations. Alright? So, thank you Lord and be my next client. We do piercing, tattoo erasing.